Hello, my name is Shubham Namje and I want to discuss about my topic Bluetooth and Bluetooth related software that are currently available in the market. Firstly, we discuss about the term Bluetooth, then we go to the term Bluetooth related software. Okay.
Bluetooth. Bluetooth wireless technology is an international open standard for allowing intelligent devices to communicate with each other over short range wireless links. It allows any sort of electronic equipment from computers and cell phones to keyboard and headphones to make its own connections without wires, cables, or any direct action from a user. A distinctive advantage for Bluetooth wireless technology is its low power consumption, enabling extended operation for battery power devices like cell phones, personal digital assistant, and web tablets. Is it hardware, software, or both? This is the question that is arises when we are hearing the term Bluetooth. Bluetooth wireless technology includes both hardware and software components. The hardware consists of a Bluetooth module or cheapest, which is comprised of a Bluetooth radio and baseband or a signal chip that contains both. Another part of the hardware is the antenna. The radio transmit and receives information via the antenna. The radio transmit via the air interface. The chip also contains a digital signal microprocessor which is part of the baseband. The key function of the baseband are piconet and device control, for example, connection creation, frequency hopping sequence selection, and timing. Modes of operation like power control and secure operation, and medium access functions like polling, packet types, packet processing, and link types, voice, data, etc. The software consists of the protocol stack, broadcast, offer, Vidcom, Bluetooth Protocol software for embedded system BTE, Windows BTW, and Windows CE, BTWC. All Vidcom software provides simple integration, powerful diagnostics, and the shortest possible time to market. Bluetooth range and speed. Bluetooth wireless technology work within a 30 to 300 feet radius. The raw data rate is 1 megabit per second. The device talking to each other in an optimal manner. The channel will support 700 kilobits per second. Significance of the name. Bluetooth wireless technology is named after Harald Blatand Bluetooth, who was king of Denmark from 1940 to 1981. He was the son of Jorm the Old, the king of Denmark. Bluetooth tracker used on mobile devices. This is the most common software that is used by the peoples in the world. These days, the definition of mobile devices is broad enough to encompass a diverse range of consumer goods and accessories ranging from notebook and small laptop computers to phones, smart cards, tags, key fobs, badges, or tokens. Most bear some form of digital electronic circuitry, and like other small items that we carry every day, the thing they all have in common is that they are small enough to lose sight of, misplace or steal. So would not it be great if there was a way of physically keeping tabs on these items, potentially reliable enough to locate and reclaim them, even if they have been spirited away? Thankfully, it comes in the form of Bluetooth trackers. Bluetooth trackers, the release of Bluetooth 4.0, which is commonly referred to as Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE, greatly extended the range of what could be done with Bluetooth devices. It has enabled manufacturers to fit Bluetooth functionality into teeny devices with rechargeable or disposable batteries that can, in some cases, run for a year or more without having to be swapped out or recharged. This in turn has enabled designers to fit these teeny transmitters, receivers as embedded or replaceable tag capable of being attached to or placed inside mobile devices and small accessories. This tag may be linked via Bluetooth low energy connection to a smartphone or tablet and potentially to third-party tracking services hosted by the tag manufacturers. The BLE link enable tagged items and the mobile devices hosting the administrative software to exchange information with each other when within communications range and to keep track of their movement and location with respect to each other. Bluetooth trackers not just for devices. The uses for the Bluetooth trackers extend beyond the linking up of mobile devices to the potential to track small consumer goods and accessories of all kinds or large ones for that matter. Trackers may be placed on or inside key fobs, spectacle cases, wallets, purse, backpacks, dog collars, bikes, cars, or anything else that you habitually spend time close to and don't wish to be separated from. Some leading names in the Bluetooth tracker market. Finally, iHear3 is a larger footprint Bluetooth tracker fitted with a USB port and removable cable for recharging. For watching the video, that's all from my side, and I hope that you enjoying the video, and that's all from my side. Okay, thank you very much.